Moving to the another problem, the Gauss elimination method. The problem number 4, solve the following system of equations by Gauss elimination method. So given equations are x plus 2y plus z is equals to 3, 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equals to 10, and 3x minus y plus 2z is equals to 13. The augmented matrix is equals to, we'll write this 1 2 1 3. So first coefficient of x, it is 1, next 2, next 1, next again it is 3, next 2 3 3 10, 2 3 3 and 10, and last one 3 minus 1 2 and 13. This will be more easier because here we need 1. Whenever in leading number is 1, the problem solving is more easier. Next we'll make the operation. So like this, we'll make these three numbers as a 0. So here we need 0, here also we need 0, 0, 0. Make these three numbers 0. Then we can easily solve the Gauss elimination method by operating rows. So first we'll operate this one row R2. To make this 0, we'll make R1 minus R2. If 2 minus 1, so operation on R2, this is R2 row, 2 minus 1 is 1. That means it is not possible to get 0 here. So we'll make R1, 1 minus 2 it is, R1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, but we require here 0. We'll make 2R1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 2, it is 0 now. And next for third row, R3, we'll make R1 minus R3, R1 minus R3 minus 1 is, so 1 R1 is 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, not possible to get 0. So we'll make here 3R1, 3 into 1 3, 3 minus 3, it becomes 0. Then this matrix becomes, we are not operating this one R1, so write as it is 1 2 1 3. Next this one 2R1, 2 minus 2, it is 0. Next 2 to the 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. Next 2 1 the 2, 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. Next 2 3 the 6, 6 minus 10, it is minus 4. Next R3, it is 3R1, 3 minus 3, 0. Next 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 6 minus of minus 1, 6 minus of minus 1, 6 plus 1, it is 7. Next 3 into 1 3, 3 minus 2, it is 1. Last 3 into 3, 9, 9 minus 13 is minus 4. Next we have to make this one 3 zeros required, 1 2 3, this one also required 0. To get this one 0, we'll make, now it is simple because 1 is here, it is 1 is there. Again we'll operate now R3, so it is R3 minus R2, R3, 0 minus 0 is 0. Next 7 minus 1, it is 6. That means 7 minus 7 we required. So make it 7R2. So matrix becomes this is as it is. Next, this is also row 2 as it is 0, 1, minus 1, because we are operating only R3. R3 is R3 minus 7R2. 0 minus 0 into 7, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 7R2. 7 into 1, 7. 7 minus 7, it is again 0. Now 1 minus, so minus 7. 1 plus 7, it is 8. Next, minus 4 into 7, it is 4 into 7, 28. 28 minus 4 plus 28. So it becomes 24. Now we got almost answer. Now from third row, so third row we'll get 8z is equals to, this is x, y, z. X is 0, y is 0, z is 8z is 0x, 0y, 8z. From first row, sorry, from third row, eight z is equals to 24. This implies z is equals to 24 by 8 is equals to 8 3 the 24. Z is equals to 3. From second row, x is 0, so y 1y, so y minus z is equals to minus 4. This implies y is equals to minus 4, shift is z, z is nothing but minus, it is, so plus 3. This implies y is equals to minus, so y is equals to, so from first row we got 8z is equals to 24, z is equals to 24 by 8, so is equals to 3. From second row, 0x plus y minus z is equals to minus 4. This implies y is equals to minus 4. Shift is z this side, so it is z is nothing but 3. Minus 4 plus 3, this implies y is equals to minus 4 plus 3 is equals to minus 1. Next, from first row, x plus 2y plus z is equals to 3. This implies x is equals to 3, shift is minus 2y minus z, that is equals to 3 minus 2y. Y is how much? Minus 1 and minus z. Z is x is equals to, so this implies x is equals to so minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 3 minus 3 0, so plus 2, this answer. So x is equals to nothing but 2. Next, simply you write, thus the solution is x is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 1 and z is equals to 3. I hope you understood this problem. Very simple problem, Gauss elimination method. Very important problem.